Hello everyone, this is Mehan. Today video I would like to show you how to change start menu and taskbar icon from the middle to the left side in Windows 11. Okay, let's start. Okay, after you install or upgrade to Windows 11, you may encounter something like this: start menu and the icon in taskbar here in the middle. So sometimes you want to change to your normal style, like Windows 7 or Windows 10. So in here we can do so. You just right click on the taskbar anywhere, right click, and we go to taskbar setting. So it may show something like this, or sometimes it may a little bit change, but thing is we go to taskbar. Okay, go to taskbar, or you may just right click here, go to taskbar setting. It may show something like this already. So here we come to taskbar behavior, just click here, and here we can change it to the left. Okay, or you can just automatic hide or show it our taskbar. So there are only two options, different from Windows 7 or Windows 10. So in here we got the left side. Okay, and another reason maybe I will get used to, or when we open another app, so we have one app right here and we just want to open something and then it not cover on this side. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question regarding to Windows 11, please let me know in the comment. Okay, see you in the video.